Hi beautiful people, my name is Jimmy from mygraphic.design. Welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your Bricks interface from this to this using Bricksforge. Without further ado, let's just dive in. So here we are in WordPress, and first of all we're gonna go into Bricks and then go to Bricksforge. That's where we start. Then you don't have to activate any elements or any extension. You just go to Features and go to Builder Customizer. Here, as you can see, you have the option to toggle on or off any elements that you would not want to have in your builder. But the magic happens where you go here and you go to Custom Builder Theme. You click here and then you can just change those values, which will reflect into the Bricks interface. I have my color codes. So here I want it a bit darker, a bit in the idea of what Bricks 2.0 will be proposing, something a bit darker. So we're going to go with 0D, 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 and then you just put FF on the end, right? Here I have my code, and it doesn't change much from this one, but it's still something. So I'm going to go with the 444 FF. Here we go. Here I would suggest you that you put your branding color. So you could put any color, so like your branding color. So let's say we could put some orange, for example. So let's go with this one. And the text color, I'm gonna just make it a tiny bit wider. Here we go. And that's it. Basically, you're set. Look at this. Ta-dam! So as you can see, the orange reflects here, reflects as well on the hover. And then, of course, the darker color for the background of the interface. And then the elements is the second gray that I chose. And for the text, of course, it's a tiny bit whiter. It just brings a bit more contrast for me, at least. I'm really looking forward to Bricks 2.0, obviously. But yeah, I actually did not remember that this function was existing in Bricksforge. I discovered it again when I was trying to change a bit the backend of my admin in WordPress using Bricksforge. And at some point I got confused and ended up being in that option that I showed you earlier, which is the Builder Customizer. And really this part, I saw this already before, but long ago. So I was really stuck on the idea that the Builder Customizer was only for the elements until I toggled that in and figured out that it changed the interface of Bricks. So of course you could play with what you want. I would advise to stay in sort of like subtle colors because it can become like a circus real quick, and that's not the idea. The idea is to make it easier for your eyes. I tried light mode version. I don't know if I have the screenshot. Let me see. It's not bad. It's not what I like, but it's something you could achieve. So if you're a fan of light mode and prefer light mode, then this is the way to go. I will put the color code of these in the description of the video so you can copy that one. I will put also the ones from the dark mode that I created. Anyway, this is just basically how you create a different color interface for bricks using Bricksforge. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for tuning in. And as usual, stay sexy, keep spreading love, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.